This is the perfect Paddington cottage. It's recently undergone some renovations, seamlessly blending its character features with contemporary spaces. For those who like entertaining, it's got a lovely elevated deck at the rear and also a beautiful wraparound veranda at the front. Downstairs is a great breakaway space. There's a second living area, a fourth bedroom, and a bathroom and laundry area. The well-appointed master bedroom is tucked away towards the top of the rear level and has an ensuite and beautiful green leafy outlook. Put simply, this is an unmissable home in the perfect location. It will suit those wanting comfortable living and convenience. And from here, it's easy access to Ithaca Creek State School, the Brisbane CBD, and of course all the shops in Paddington.